PERMAKOTE is our most popular elastomeric waterproofing, insulating, ceramic roof coating for pitched roofs. Here is a video detailing a commercial roof restoration and considerations on these types of projects. It works great on metal and tile roofs. PERMAKOTE has been applied on most continents of the globe for decades with excellent success, standing up to tough climates. This innovative, elastomeric roof coating solution offers a stunning, durable, bright white matte finish that can be tailored to your preferences using a wide range of paint or custom color options. The low thermal conductivity of ceramic additives effectively reduces heat transfer through the roof, leading to enhanced indoor comfort and less energy consumption. PERMAKOTE is meticulously engineered to deliver enduring waterproofing and protection for pitched roofs. It forms a seamless and fully adhered membrane, safeguarding your roof against the detrimental effects of environmental factors, ultimately extending the lifespan of your roof. PERMAKOTE is easy to work with and the go-to choice for roof restorations. Contact us today to discuss your project and receive a material estimate.